Hello Techstars, welcome to KD Tech. Today we are going to be learning how to build a landing page. Go to VS Code editor and let's get started. So today we'll be building a landing page for for a travel website that has to do with traveling outside the country. So I'm just gonna use just the page and style it using responsive designs and animation. So we actually gonna actually do that through CSS. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to change our title from document to design mastery in travel moments. Now, before you do this, you should first of all have your index.html, style.css, and also your folder for images. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to create a link first of all. So our icons. Now, to do that, you're going to actually get a link to an icon. So yes, and I'm going to make already established. The next I'm going to do, I'm going to create a link to, in order to get an icon or icons. Then we are going to link our HTML to our CSS file. Then the next we are going to do, we're going to create a div and before and after. And then after we just call the name, so we'll have about e-tickets, joining, contact. Okay, we're not going to do anything, we're not going to create any HTML file for about us or e-tickets and our joining and contact, just page. Alright, so that's it. So the next thing I'm going to do after the name, we're going to create a div container, and the div container we want to have a left content and a right content. So we're going to make a div container that's actually going to display our content, and so that's actually going to split our content into left and right. So this is for our container left. So the container left we're going to write that's guide for you outing for expand and source connections. I'm breaking actually because not it may actually break, you actually want to break. I recommend that to a break tags. Then after that we move back to bringing writing our content on our left hand side. So with that I'm going to bring an image to our right hand side. Then we're going to write whatever you want to write. So I put it in a class. I put the first div class and container right. Then the next div class has the right content. Then you write whatever you want. Then the next thing I have to do is put in a class. I'm going to add buttons, action buttons. So primary button has to explore and secondary button has to see. Then after that, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to create these for our socials. Now remember we actually had to link you actually have to create a link in order to get icons, and that link you can get that from Google. You can also get that from Google. So the div class socials, you can see class. I put everything. I have to put everything in span. So class, Instagram line, Twitter field, Facebook field, and that's it. So I'm going to talk about some CSS file. Now I had to import this from Google.fonts or Google icons. Then search for it on Google. Then I had to do that. Then I imported this URL from there so I can let's go through to the this is the final part. So the next thing I did, I actually have to start my root style. Give it a color, primary color. Then I give it primary color dark, secondary color light. Then I also give my selector a pattern of 0, margins and box sizing, border box. Then I start my body next, family, I use my rubber band. background image, then a gradient about. Then the next thing I did was to start my next thing I did was to start my name. Should absolute give the max to 100%, max to 1200 pixels, main height of 85 pixels, left 50%, transfer to body, display align item center, justify content flex and Z index 1, then I start my nav links, I made my list tag to be known, the display, remember I had to put everything in a list. I had to put my lab bar in a list to check. It has a listing, so that's it. Then I actually start with my link A, then I created a group for it. Then the next thing I have to start my container. And after my container, I move left my container left, and I put in an image for my container left. So the left hand side can have an image, and also my right hand, my right content of my right container also has an image. If you actually check here, you can actually see that there is an image here. So I gave an image. Okay, I actually gave an image to my right content, which was not like the left content. The image for the left content actually towards the end, while the image for the right content was actually good. So that's it. Then I start my overlay. Now the overlay was because I actually put the text inside an overlay because of kind of picture I'm using. So for those of you that actually have issues with me using an image for a background and you're trying to write something on your image and it's not showing properly, you can actually use an overlay for that. You can actually put in your work in an overlay. Let's start with overlay. Go to the left content. Start with the left content header 4. Then I start the left content paragraph. My content right is next styling. The content right image, I start my content right image and I put it in the position I wanted it to be. Then my right content, I start the text align to the right, margin left, right content H1, right content H4. You can actually follow my codes, right content, paragraph, I start and keep the color. Then my buttons, I start my button. My primary button is a good button. Primary button has to explore, so the button is see more. Then I start my socials and my social smile. Then I put everything I have to combine the media. I put everything that I have, everything inside this. So right. So I can actually make it what I did with this. So I'm gonna launch this, and this is it. So we are actually working with you. So this is what I did. Now I'm gonna minimize my website, and I do this. So when I minimize my website, I have to do this. You can see. Now the reason why I use responsive design so I want to responsive design because what it's gonna look like on some phone. So this is it. When I bring my websites together, when I minimize my website, you can see that it's actually looks small. When I drag it open, you can see everything. You can see from my explore, you see the icons. I actually brought out. Now these are actually, let me see. So when you're actually working, you can stop to see what you do step by step of everything. Then when I link this when I create a link actually to my icons, actually imported this file, actually imported this link also. The CRM is imported. So you can actually do like so you can actually get your Google icon, and I actually put it for picture concentrate. So you can see each and every one of the icon, and you can actually see for you want to import. Alright, so with this, or you can just copy through, copy this and copy this into your code. Alright, thank you so much. See you in our next class.